Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys mobile hotspot setting, Wi-Fi hotspot setting, how to use it. Friends, you want to use Wi-Fi hotspot setting. So friends, how to use and how to change Wi-Fi hotspot setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your device phone setting. After phone setting friends, open your device phone hotspot setting. After hotspot setting friends, open your phone Wi-Fi hotspot setting. First of all guys, you can enable your mobile hotspot from right side. After enable friends, you can use your device hotspot setting. Friends, if you click here hotspot setting, so friends you can check your device name, your hotspot device name, and you want to rename your device name, you can rename your device name also. You can remove device name and you can set new device name. So friends, we will enter here Tecno mobile hotspot. Okay option, device name will rename. Friends, you want to check your hotspot password, you can check your hotspot password. You can copy your hotspot password, and you want to remove password, you can remove, and you can save new password. Friends, I will use 1234123 okay option. Save hotspot setting, device name and hotspot password will change. Second friends, you can use share hotspot setting. You can share your mobile internet mobile to mobile with QR code. One time data limit setting. Friends, you want to set data limit in your device, so friends right click here one time data limit setting, and you can set data limit. Friends, you want to set here 400 200 MB into 200 MB okay option. 200 MB will set. And friends, you want to set 1 GB, so friends enter here 1.5 GB 8 GB 2 GB, you can set MB and GB. Click here okay option. Data limit will set here 1 GB. So like that way you can set data limit. Friends, I will set here 100 MB only, or not GB, MB. And you don't want to use data limit setting, you can turn off. And last option friends, you can use your device hotspot automatic setting. When no device are connected with your mobile hotspot will off automatic, and you don't want to use, you can off. And friends, if you off your mobile hotspot, share option will remove 1 2 3. You cannot share your Wi-Fi hotspot mobile hotspot. After on you can share. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.